So my name is Romain, or you can call me DJ Trax. So I'm the music director on Yona. I'm also one of the business partners. We call it Yona Beach Club, but it's more like a sea club than a beach club. It's like a small island. There is many terms that can describe Yona. First of all, it's a party place on the sea, so it's very unique, it's very strange, but we wanted to do something different, something unusual, something that will leave memories to the people for long term, you know. We're super happy about the sound, especially that for us it was a little bit difficult and complicated to have like a good sound system because it's all open air and there is a lot of wind and the weather conditions are sometimes not easy, but I mean Void did the job. For us it's perfect, it sounds perfect here. And especially like there is another argument that helped us to choose Void as a sound system is the design. We needed something that can fit with the design of the boat, and as you could see, the design fits very well with Yona. So we're super happy. It's different vibe. Daytime is more chill. You can enjoy the landscape, you know, the ocean and everything. And nighttime, the party vibe is crazy because you party in the middle of the ocean. Yeah, it's good quality. I mean, the balance between the bass and the high and everything is good. So for us as a DJ, it's what we wanted to have. You hear some details of the sounds that you would have not heard in other places.